Hey, Jason here. This is my last session with the Stealth 575 before I have to hand it back. I'm going to take it out for a last play now in some very choppy conditions. You can hear the wind blowing the camera there. Here, have a look at this.
Now, ladies and gentlemen,
hold on to your underwear. It's another collection of stereophonic gramophone recordings of big band dance music for you to get down and shake your booties to.
Okay, y'all, this is it.
Can I please have your attention?
Right now is showtime. Are you ready?
So let's go on a musical trip around the world tonight.
I don't want to argue, I don't want to fight. And if there's something wrong, yeah, you know I'm gonna try to make it right. I love you, you love me, we be one family tonight. So get right over here and let's get down, go funky now. You are my queen and there ain't no doubt about it. And if you want, I'll tell the world, you know I'll shout it. The way